in this video. Bitcoin is right now breaking down as I am recording this video, and right now this is one of the best times to buy Bitcoin. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video, and let's give you first some quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba, sa previous video, we mentioned na we are seeing a Bitcoin critical support area, which is during this time, nandito tayo dyan, nagpe-play out dyan dito kay Bitcoin. So last time nandyan si Bitcoin. And then, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, initially meron akong, nag-buy ako ng Bitcoin at 76k, nag-buy din ako at 77, nag-buy din ako at 73, and then nag-add ako ng panibagong buy orders at 70k, 67k, and 63,000 US dollars. So, andun yung mga total, lahat ng buy orders ko. So, as of now, meron akong 1, 2, and 3 na buy orders na na-fill. Meron pa akong dalawang buy orders na remaining na para ma-fill. And then, if na-fill yun, then, ayun, hahayaan na natin yung Bitcoin gumalaw. But right now, what is happening dito kay Bitcoin? So, di ba, andun nga tayo sa critical support area, and then, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, it really depends if magkakaroon ng breakout. If nagkaroon ng daily candle close, then yun nga, confirm na yung breakdown niya dyan. But ayun nga, nagkaroon na tayo ng daily candle close, and right now we have a confirmed breakdown, and on top of that, meron nga din tayong bearish momentum in the weekly time frame. So right now we are eyeing itong 63,000 US dollars. Well, honestly, ako ang ina-eye ko muna is 67,000, and then saka ko na i-eye yung 63,000. Now, why are we confident na, or why are we saying na this is one of the potential Bitcoin bottom? Because if you're going to look back in time, the Bitcoin bottom usually plays around the 200 moving average. It can go lower than that, but that's fine. Kasi as you can see, if it went lower than that, then as you can see, pwede pa siyang umakit sa Bitcoin eh. So, it doesn't matter kung saang price area ka dito bibili eh. Ayun no, dyan sa area na yan. It doesn't matter if above the 200 or below the 200. Ang mahalaga is within the 200 moving average range ka bumili ng Bitcoin. Even if you look back in time, similar thing, it doesn't matter kung saan ka bumili as long as nandun ka sa 200 moving average range. That is a good area for you to buy. Kasi either way, tinan nyo to, either way, if umakit si Bitcoin dyan after that, ay no, tinan nyo, meron pa yung profits oh. Dito sa previous market cycle, naka 452% of profit. Dito naman, if let's say dito ka na bumili ng Bitcoin, or dito ka bumili ng Bitcoin at the 26,000, doesn't matter. Meron kang 356% na profit. So right now, na we are at the similar area, it doesn't matter kung saan ka bumili dito. Either way, once na bumalik yung Bitcoin bull market, you are going to be in profit as long as you are going to buy within the 200 moving average area. So, ayun, pretty much, yun yung gusto kong sabihin ngayon, and gusto ko lang kayo ibigay ng quick update. Kasi right now, we are now currently falling down dito kay Bitcoin, and nag-open ako temporarily ng short position initially around the 71.8, and then kinlose ko na siya actually around 69.5, 69.6, or actually around 70k ko ata siya kinlose eh. So, kinlose ko na rin siya kagad kasi right now, ang focus ko na is yung long-term long position ko, and hindi ko na muna siguro titingnan yung short-term trades. Ang focus ko muna dito is yung long-term trades. So, right now, babay tayo ng Bitcoin, and then yun yung long position nga dito. So, right now, yun yung long-term long position na ino-open ko dito with the Bitcoin price action. And take note, lahat ng to is, I will be trading na to sa Bybit. So make sure to trade this guys kay Bybit kasi kay Bybit pwede kayo mag DCA ng long term long position as compared to any other platforms. Short term kay Wix pa din ako pero long term trades dito kay Bybit. So right now I am very excited na nga dito and I am just waiting for 67 and 63k na ma-hit na nga dito. Once na ma-hit na yan, then hayaan na talaga natin. And I guess yun lang muna talaga update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, make sure to give this video a like, guys. Make sure to give this video a like to support the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.